Every week, a new AI model takes the number one spot. Higher scores, bigger benchmarks, smarter than ever. But here's the question almost nobody asks. Do these benchmarks actually measure intelligence? Or are we just measuring how good AI has become at taking tests? Right now, AI companies are locked in a massive race. GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama. Every release claims to be the smartest AI ever built, and the proof always looks the same. Benchmark scores. AI benchmarks are basically standardized exams for models. Some test reasoning, some test coding, some test math and science. The assumption is simple. Higher scores mean smarter AI. But different benchmarks measure completely different abilities. MMU tests academic knowledge, Human Eval measures coding, GSM 8K tests mathematical reasoning. So when someone says this is the best AI model, the real question is best at what? Behind the scenes, researchers run massive evaluation pipelines, comparing models across thousands of tasks. And there's a growing problem. Models are starting to optimize for benchmarks themselves. Tiny score improvements become massive headlines. 92.1 becomes 92.4, and suddenly the internet calls it a breakthrough. But for most users, those tiny improvements often change absolutely nothing. This is where the cracks begin to appear. Models can overfit benchmark datasets, learning patterns from the tests instead of learning genuine reasoning. And sometimes benchmark questions even appear inside training data, which means the AI may have already seen the exam before taking it. At that point, are we measuring intelligence or memory? Here's the weird part. Some models with lower benchmark scores actually feel better to use. Better explanation, better conversation, better creativity. Because humans care about experience, not just numbers. Another issue is saturation. Many modern AI models already score above 90% on popular benchmarks. The tests are becoming too easy. Today, models are becoming benchmark specialists, optimized specifically to dominate evaluations, not necessarily to think better. Most users don't care about benchmark charts. They care about one thing. Does this AI actually help me? Future AI evaluations will need to measure much bigger things: real world reasoning, decision making, tool usage, and long term problem solving. Because future AI won't just answer questions anymore. They'll browse the web, use tools, write software, and perform actions autonomously. To be clear, benchmarks are important. Researchers genuinely need standardized evaluations, but benchmarks are indicators, not absolute truth. So, the next time you see a headline saying, this AI is now number one, remember this. High benchmark scores do not automatically mean real intelligence because intelligence is more than test taking. It's adaptability, creativity, reliability, and understanding. And honestly, we still don't fully know how to measure that. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI and the future of technology.